Most dealership listings show the basics, but today's buyers expect more. They want full details, visuals, and an experience that builds confidence before they ever visit your showroom. Introducing Glo3D's Data Insight, the smart tool that turns simple vehicle information into a complete, engaging showcase. With just the year, make, model, and trim, Data Insight automatically enriches your RV, boat, motorcycle, and ATV listings with floor plans, specs, features, videos, and even virtual tours, all in seconds. No more incomplete or static listings. Every unit in your inventory becomes a powerful digital experience, helping your vehicles stand out and your buyers stay longer. Want to show how spacious that interior really is? Data Insight adds clear floor plans that help customers visualize every inch. Need to build confidence fast? Add immersive 360-degree virtual tours that keep buyers engaged longer and reduce hesitation. And with downloadable brochures, detailed specs, and ready-to-use descriptions, you'll always have professional, consistent content, automatically. The best part? Data Insight can be seamlessly integrated inside your search result page or vehicle detail page for an enhanced visual experience, making it easy for customers to explore every detail in one click. Ready to transform your listings into immersive experiences? Contact us today and see how Glo3D's Data Insight can take your dealership to the next level.